So with the current situation with the coronavirus, I thought there's probably quite a lot of people out there who are just scrolling aimlessly through Twitter and not actually achieving anything. So why not put this video together to teach you how to use Tweetdeck effectively. Before I carry on with the rest of the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to get more videos like this. Make sure to hit the notification bell, which is right next to it, if you want to be notified when we've done a new video. And if you do give this video a like, it really does help us get this video in front of more people who might find it useful. So remember to do that as well. Without further ado, let's jump into the computer and I'll show you how to get onto Tweetdeck first. So now that you have the browser open in front of you, all you have to do is go to tweetdeck.com. And there you go, it will just load Tweetdeck, as easy as that. Before you're able to even access Tweetdeck, you do have to have a Twitter account and be logged in to the Twitter account on the same browser that you're accessing Tweetdeck from. Now, as this is a brand new account, I've just gone and followed a load of random people just to show you what it would look like. Don't have any notifications yet. I've just made this account just to show you what it would look like and the capability of Tweetdeck. But before you even do anything, it gives you this column that shows you your Twitter feed. And then it gives you the notifications column to the right of it, which will list your notifications as they come through. But as I said, we don't have any yet. And then your messages, which if you get any messages, you'll see it here. And then this fourth one here is what's trending on Twitter. So it gives you around about 19 of the top trending things on Twitter. Now, to make another column, so if you wanted to look at something else, such as your mentions, you could go to this add column button there. I'll just show you where that is again. So it's this add column button, the plus on the left here. And then, as I said, if you wanted to add your mentions, you simply just click mentions. You have to choose your account, so you can have more than one account in Tweetdeck, but we just have the one. And then you click add column. And then as you can see, it's added the column here. There are no mentions at the moment, but if we had any, it would list it there. If you wanted to rearrange which order the columns are in, you simply just click here and then drag to the left and to the right. As I mentioned on Tweetdeck, you can have more than one account. If you wanted to have more than one account, you do have to link them all to one account, which is sort of the master account. So make sure to choose the correct master account. And then all you have to do is go to the left-hand side here. There's the little icon here of the two people. You click that. And then there's this button here, which says link another account you own. When you click that, you'll just have to log into the account you own and then link it up to this master account here. From Tweetdeck itself, you can actually tweet. So all you have to do is click this button in the top left here, and then it gives you the bit where you can put your text. You can add the images, you can schedule the tweet, and then you can direct message this to someone. It's as simple as that, really. There isn't stuff like the GIFs. You can't put the GIFs on there. It's just for basic tweets with an image or video, really. As well as tweeting, you can actually reply to messages. We obviously don't have any messages on this account, but if we did, you could just click on it. It would bring up a little box and you just reply to the message. In a similar way, you can actually reply to a tweet, which is on your feed here. All you have to do is choose the tweet, click it, and then down here, you can reply to it, you can like it, you can retweet it, just like you would on Twitter, but you can do that all from the Tweetdeck. One good feature is if a trending hashtag turns up that you want to follow, such as, let's have a look through, so clap for the NHS, that's quite a nice one at the moment. So you can just click it and then it makes it its own column that you can then follow. We're going to go through filters as well, because that's really where the power of Tweetdeck comes in. So it gave me this little notification saying filter your search for better results. Click here, so all you do is click there. And then you can choose stuff like location. So if you wanted to engage with people just in Kent, for example, you could move this to Kent and then it would only show you tweets that are using that hashtag, clap for the NHS, in Kent, and then you can engage with those tweets. There's also tweet authors, so you can make sure that you are following people that you know, so you could put in by someone in particular or mentioning someone in particular. Engagement, this is a good one. So if there is a hashtag which is getting quite a lot of following and quite a lot of engagement, you can filter it so it only shows tweets that have 100 or more likes, for example. That way you're only showing the tweets which have already got a bit of momentum. You can try to jump on the back of that momentum, and generally if they've got more likes, they're better tweets, so they're better quality to retweet and engage with yourself. As you change the filters, the feed down here will change to what you've asked it to show you, and then you can go through, you can engage with all the different tweets that are in that bracket if you think it's relevant. This is a great way to make sure that if someone is searching for a product or service that you offer, that you engage with them and go first. So you can use this little icon here, the search icon, and for example, if I was a removal company, I could put in removal, and then I could use the filters to put it into my location, which let's just say there. You can up the radius here as well, so let's say we do quite a lot as a removal company in that area there, and then you can have a look through and see if someone is talking about needing a removal company, someone helps in terms of parking infringement removals, that might be something that you'll be able to help with, and then you can go and comment or private message this person to say that you can help them. That's just one example, but there are loads of different things you can do with this search function. If you are trying to build a community, for example, you can put in keywords that are within the community and just follow people that are also engaging with those key terms. And you can make as many columns as you like. Obviously, the more you make, the harder it is to actually look over it all. So I try to keep it to a maximum of 10 per account when we're doing management for people. But you can do what you like, really. You can, if you want there to be 80, you could have 80, but you're probably going to struggle looking through them all. If at any point you make a column that you decide you don't need anymore, all you do is you click the filter button and then remove, and then that will get rid of that. Because some of the hashtags you might only want to follow for a certain amount of time while it makes sense. Right, that's a very quick introduction and overview of the Tweetdeck tool. If you want to know anything else about it, just put it down in the comments below and I'll make sure to reply. If there's enough comments about one thing, I might make a whole video on that one specific thing. It's a really good tool if you are utilising Twitter for your business or community management or anything like that, to just make sure that you are being shown in front of the right people. If you did find this video useful, please do give it a like. And if you want to see more like this, make sure to click the subscribe button and then the bell next to it. That will make sure that you're notified when another video comes up. We're doing daily webinars at the moment, most of which are going to be uploaded to this YouTube channel. If you want to see which ones are coming up, just go to www.togethernetworking.co.uk and then you'll see the list of the upcoming events. Come over to our Facebook group to see them live, or you can wait till they're on the YouTube channel. Until next time, I'll see you later.